Hello and welcome. Today, I am going to talk about cover letter and why they are so important. A cover letter is more than just a formality, it's your chance to make a strong first impression. By the end of this lesson, you'll know key strategies to write a letter that complements your resume and helps you stand out to employers. So, what exactly is a cover letter? Simply put, it's a short introduction that tells employers who you are and why you want the job. Think of it as a preview of your resume. Its main goal is to make the employer want to read your resume and consider you for an interview. A good cover letter shows professionalism, interest, and strong communication skills, helping you stand out from other candidates. When writing your cover letter, focus on what fits the job. That means, tailored content, pick skills and experiences that match the job description. Prove your fit, explain how your background prepares you to help the company reach its goals. Keep it relevant, don't include unrelated information, stick to what shows you can succeed in this role. Your cover letter shouldn't just repeat your resume. Instead, it should go beyond the list of jobs and dates. Tell your story, show your growth, values, and motivation. Connect your skills directly to what the company needs. This is your chance to show who you are, not just what you've done. Every cover letter should be unique. That means, personalization matters, use the company's name and a specific job title. Highlight specific fit, explain how your experience connects to the company's mission or recent projects. Avoid generic letters, hiring managers can tell when you reuse a letter. Specific examples make you stand out. Your tone should be professional, but also natural. Here's how: be respectful but let your personality show. Avoid stiff phrases like "to whom it may concern." Be confident, but not arrogant, show enthusiasm for your skills and the role. Employers want to see motivated people, so show genuine excitement. Share why you care about the company or its products. Express your eagerness to contribute. End your letter on a positive, confident note. Your cover letter should stay professional. That means, don't talk about salary or benefits. Focus on your skills, experience, and goals. Keep personal information private, no age, family details, or private matters. To wrap up, remember these key points. 1. Be focused and relevant, highlight experiences that match the job. 2. Customize each letter, show genuine interest by tailoring it for every employer. 3. Stay professional and positive, use a friendly, confident tone and avoid sensitive personal topics. Follow these strategies, and you'll be able to create cover letters that impress employers and increase your chances of landing an interview.